What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Nvidia. We're going to get some levels ready for tomorrow and this week. Obviously, we know this is a big trading week ahead. The market might be a little bit more choppier this week, so make sure to be careful. Guys, right now, I'm going to kind of emphasize this. Right now, in this time, is the time to absolutely learn how to day trade. This is a trader's market. This is the time to invest in yourself. Take the time to educate yourself and not sit and cry about your long-term portfolio. Guys, long-term portfolios are always going to survive if you continue to dollar cost average in at significant macro levels of demand, right? So if you've been dollar cost averaging into stocks, you've been getting continuously to get blown up, right? That's going to happen. What you can do is learn how to day trade, learn how to, kind of make a little bit of scratch on the side, right? You want to make a little bit of money through this bear market. So that when we do come out of here, you ended up with what? Dollar cost averaging down. You also, put some food on the table and made some money trading this market down as well. So with that being said, we're looking at Nvidia. Nvidia looks like it's going to come back down to 140. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it, guys. I'm just looking at the charts. If we just look at the chart, look at where we closed today, we got rejected at the linear regression line, which was the 20-day moving average as well. Today, we also fell below the 5-day moving average. If you follow me and you understand the way that I trade, the 5-day moving average is the nearest and shortest term sentiment on the daily time frame. What does that mean? That means that if we're trading above the 5-day moving average, typically the bulls are going to have control into the next trading session. If we are trading below the 5-day moving average, then typically we're going to ignore the green and just focus on shorting the downside because we're underneath that short-term sentiment. Now, we're shorting down to the next area of demand. We're not just hoping that all stocks go to zero, or we're not just hoping that all stocks go to the moon. We want to be smart about this, right? So please, if you guys are having trouble navigating this market, join my Discord. Okay, it's not rocket science, guys. Get around other traders, get around a community of people that are doing this on a day in, day out basis. Some people have been trading with me for almost 2 years now, and they have a firm grasp and understanding and picking their own stocks and making money on a daily basis and so forth and so forth. Once you possess the skills, guys, no one can ever take that away from you. So join the Discord, become a lifetime member, get access to all of the channels. Right now is the time where you guys want to be doing that. Right now is not the time to be a penny pincher and just continue to load up your trading account with $1,000 a week and continue to lose that without knowing what the hell you're doing. Invest in yourself, get a mentor, get a trading group, join a community, take time and watch people's YouTube videos on learning how to build a strategy and a trading plan and manage your risk and manage your emotions and psychology. Guys, it's very easy to learn how to read the charts. What's hard is managing your own damn emotions, okay? With that being said, we're getting back to Nvidia here. You can see that if we start to confirm today's lows, I'm going to look to take a short position below today's lows, okay? Why? Because there's room in the trade. As an options trader, I need room in the trade. So what does that mean? Nothing but airspace down here below today's low price of around 150.25. Below 150.25, I'm going to look to short Nvidia, and I will look to try to take profits around 145. Now, am I going to get $5 off the stock? That would be great, but I normally take 10 contracts. That's my standard lot size when I'm trading options. So I'll take 10 contracts of Nvidia, but when I get that first $1 to $1.50, $2 push, I'm going to sell 3-4 contracts. Then if I get another 50 cents, $1, I'm going to sell another contract. And then depending if the stock's still working with me, I'm going to sell another one, right? So I'm constantly scaling out, trying to hold runners. Now, the macro flush point is going to be obviously the recent all-time lows of $140.55. That's why the title of this video is Nvidia is going back to 140. You can see here that if we do confirm today's lows and we take out the Bollinger Band here at around 144, 145, we will come down to the next area of demand, and that area of demand is where buyers stepped in previously at around 140. So anything below today has potential to get down to 140. Nvidia does not start looking more bullish, and I will not look to trade Nvidia long until we get over 160. 160.50 is over the 20-day moving average. It'll be over the 5-day, the 10-day, and into the next channel level on the linear regression. If none of that makes sense, well, I would highly recommend become a lifetime member, get access to my courses so you guys can understand what all these lines on my chart mean and how do I navigate them and what I'm looking for to kind of find the best possible trades that we can potentially make some money. Because at the end of the day, are we all going to take losing trades? Of course, but we need to know how to lose. This is a numbers game and a volume game. You will lose trades. If you cannot handle losing, or you don't think that you're going to lose, or you're going to look for a strategy that's going to be 100% win rate, you're absolutely out of your mind and you will blow up account after account after account. That's a fact. That's a promise. I promise you that. You will lose a shit ton of money if you think that you are going to never lose a trade. Once you understand that you're going to lose a trade, then it's about navigating those wins, okay? And you need to understand which trades do you need to take, which trades do you need to stay away from, what's the best time of day to trade, what are you looking for? You have to be up on your game as far as the stocks that you're trading. You got to know them like the back of your hand. For example, I trade Tesla, Nvda, AMD, the triple Qs, the SPX. Apple. I trade a handful of stocks day in and day out. Why? Because I'm comfortable with them. Why? Because I know them. Why? Because I follow the levels each and every single day. So I know that when a stock does something, I'm looking to do something. I hope that kind of makes sense. If you guys want more information and more technical analysis, like I said, I'll see you guys all in the Discord. I do only take 5 to 10 members or students a month. I like to keep it very focused, very narrowed down until that group learns and understands what the hell they're doing. I don't want to take on 100 people and then have everyone at different parts of the game and not really understanding what they're doing. I have people that have been trading with me for almost a year and a half, 2 years now, that are well on their own and just kind of in the room, soaking up the vibes from everyone else and kind of just helping everyone else out and doing their own thing, right? And I have people who are still newer, who are still learning and understanding and building their trading system and plans for themselves. So you can kind of learn from both sides of the spectrum. With that being said, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. I'll see the new students in the Discord tomorrow or this week. And for the rest of you guys that are still on the fence, continue to lose money, just throwing money away, to the wolves, not understanding technical analysis. I'm sorry, but some of you guys are just not going to get it. That it is what it is. I've been doing this for too long and been on social media for too long and ran a community for too long. I get it. Some of you guys want easy money. Some of you guys want to hit home runs. Some of you guys think that, trading options, you can just put $1,000 and you're going to make $10,000. Doesn't really work that way. I feel bad for you. It's unfortunate that 2020 kind of did that to you, or these short squeeze stocks or these pump and dumps did that to you. I'm sorry, but that's not the way that the market really works. Okay. There's a rhyme to reason with the market here. Okay. And there's a way to do things and there's a way not to do things. If you guys want to learn the way to do things correctly, join my Discord. If you guys are looking for a quick buck, please do not come back to my channel. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to teach you guys how to trade, not here to teach you guys how to get lucky. Hope that makes sense, and I'll catch you guys all next time.